Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the thinning analysis function in LiDAR360. Under the TLS Forest module, you can find the Stand Analysis and Reporting function. In the pop-up window, select point cloud files from Forestry LiDAR data collected by TLS equipment. Choose attribute files, from tree EDB or CSV, resulting from single tree segmentation of the point cloud data. Check the Thinning Analysis option. During thinning analysis, you can also opt to output tree plots, set range and attribute filters, and generate thumbnail images of standing trees. Finally, set the output path for the analysis report and click OK. The image shows the generated tree plots. Click Run to save each tree plot in the specified output path. Next, proceed to set range and attribute filters. You can add region of interest files or filter selections based on attributes such as tree IDs. After setting, click Run to exclude certain trees as shown. The next step involves configuring parameters for thinning analysis. You can choose to analyze by min-tree interval or by conditions. Click Run to generate the thinning analysis results. Click Export to save the thinning analysis results. The final step is to configure thumbnail images of standing trees. You can customize image display mode, properties, and views. In the generated analysis report, select which attributes to export. Click Run to wait for the thumbnail images of standing trees to be output. In the video, each tree's thumbnail includes the parameters we just configured. Click Generate Report to export all analysis results in a report. You can find the generated report in the specified output path. The report not only presents analysis results in tabular form, but also includes result graphics from each step. That concludes the entire introduction to forest thinning analysis. Thank you for watching.